Let me start with something important. If you are a furniture store owner watching this video, chances are you are not struggling because your products are not good enough. You are not struggling because your showroom is not impressive, and you are definitely not struggling because your sales team cannot sell. Most likely, you are struggling because online your business is being misunderstood. This misunderstanding is quietly costing you time, energy, and high quality buyer who never even get the chance to speak to. Most furniture store owners assume they have a marketing problem. They think Facebook ads are not working or that Instagram attract the wrong audience and that Google only send price shoppers. However, after working closely with established businesses, I have learned something very clear. You do not have a traffic problem, you have a buyer quality problem, and buyer quality is not random. Buyer quality is trained. Every piece of marketing you put into the world teaches people how to behave. It teaches them what question to ask, how serious to be, and whether to respect your time or waste it. Most furniture marketing, without realizing it, train buyer ask for prices first, delay decision, and despair the moment the conversation require commitment. Once that behavior is trained, no follow-up message can undo it. No better script can fix it, no reminder inside a CRM can save it. This is because the decision has already been made before the first message is ever sent. Now think about your physical showroom for a moment. If someone walked in and immediately asked, "What is the cheapest thing you have?" you have instantly understood the type of buyer standing in front of you. Online is no different. The problem is that for most furniture stores, the digital storefront does not reflect the physical one, and buyers behave accordingly. My name is Mohammed Numan. I am the business strategist and a certified Go High Level expert. Over the years, I have worked with dozens of businesses across different industries, helping them identify where growth truly breaks down, not at the surface level, but inside their systems. I design automated infrastructure using Go High Level and paid advertising that do not just generate activity, but create clarity, control, and predictability. More recently, I have been working closely with the furniture store owner to fix this exact problem, which is the strong businesses attracting the wrong buyer online. Most people think of Go High Level as a software, but I do not. I use Go High Level as an infrastructure layer that control how buyers enter your business, how they are educated, and how conversation unfold. Using Go High Level, I build systems that unify every inbound channel into the one controlled environment, guide buyer through automated yet human conversation, and track intent rather than just lead volume. The goal of this system is not speed, the goal is certainty. Where most agency fails is that they treat ads, website, SEO, and the sales conversation as a separate thing. Ads communicate one message, website communicate another, and the sales team are left trying to compensate for the confusion. I do not separate these pieces. Instead, I align your ads, your website messaging, your local SEO presence, and your first automated and human conversation so they all communicate the same message. That message is simple. This is a serious furniture store for the serious buyer who value quality, design, and expertise. When the alignment is in place, buyers are filtered before they even reach out to the sales team. When this system is working properly, something interesting happens. Clients do not tell me they got more leads. Instead, they tell me that the questions are better. The price is no longer the first thing buyer asks. That their sales team feel calmer and that average order value have increased without pressure. The inbox slow down, conversation deepen, and growth start to feel predictable again. This approach is not for everyone. It works best for the business store owner who are doing $1 million or more in annual revenue, who sell mid-tier to premium products, who care about the positioning and the long-term brand value, and who want control and sustainable growth. If you compete purely on price, this approach will not help you. If discounts are your main lever for survival, this is not the right way. This is not judgment, this is alignment. If this video resonates with you, the next step is to book a free strategy call with me. This is not a sales pitch and there is no pressure or pre-designed package waiting for you. It is simple, a conversation to answer one question. Does this buyer filtering approach matches how you want your furniture store to grow? If the answer is yes, we move forward. If the answer is no, you walk away with the clarity, not confusion. Facebook and Google are not broken, they are mirror. They reflect whatever positioning you put into the market. When the positioning finally matches the quality of your store, growth stops feeling heavy. It became calm, predictable, and sustainable. If you are ready for a better buyer, not just more lead, book a free strategy call and let us see if this approach made sense for your business.